Electric vehicles are the future, but owning one means finding a reliable charger that suits your lifestyle. From at-home convenience to efficient charging times, choosing the right EV charger can save you time and ensure a smooth driving experience. In this video, we'll review the 5 best electric vehicle chargers that deliver exceptional performance, usability, and durability. By the end, you'll know exactly which charger fits your needs best. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 1, Emporia Smart EV Charger. The Emporia Smart EV Charger is a versatile and energy-efficient Level 2 charger that caters to both tech enthusiasts and environmentally conscious users. It's designed for seamless integration with smart home systems. Key features: this charger delivers up to 48 amps of power for rapid charging. It's Wi-Fi enabled and comes with a companion app, allowing users to schedule charging times and monitor energy usage. It also supports integration with solar panel systems, making it perfect for eco-friendly households. Benefits and usage: the Emporia Smart EV Charger ensures fast and efficient charging for most EV models. Its app-based controls let you optimize charging during off-peak hours, saving on electricity costs. For solar-powered homes, it offers the added advantage of using renewable energy to charge your vehicle. Usability: with its user-friendly app and clear instructions, this charger is simple to set up and operate. The adjustable power output ensures compatibility with a variety of circuit setups, making installation easier for both new and experienced users. Durability: built with robust materials, the Emporia Smart EV Charger is weather-resistant and suitable for indoor or outdoor installation. Its sturdy design ensures long-term performance, making it a reliable investment for EV owners. In the second spot, we have Siemens VersiCharge. The Siemens VersiCharge is a user-friendly and efficient Level 2 charger that prioritizes simplicity and reliability. It's perfect for homeowners seeking straightforward charging solutions. Key features: this charger provides up to 30 amps of power, enabling fast charging for most EV models. It includes a delay timer, allowing users to schedule charging to align with off-peak electricity rates. The VersiCharge is compatible with 240-volt outlets and is available in hardwired or plug-in versions. Benefits and usage: the Siemens VersiCharge is ideal for those who want hassle-free charging. Its delay timer helps save on electricity costs, and the straightforward design ensures a smooth charging experience for new EV owners. The compact size also makes it suitable for smaller spaces. Usability: with a simple installation process and easy-to-use interface, this charger is perfect for beginners. The included mounting bracket and clear instructions make setup quick and convenient. Its compatibility with standard EV models adds to its versatility. Durability: the Siemens VersiCharge is built to last, featuring durable housing that withstands both indoor and outdoor conditions. Its reliable performance and robust build make it a trusted choice for long-term use. Coming in at number 3 is the Wallbox Pulsar Plus. The Wallbox Pulsar Plus combines compact design with advanced features, making it one of the most versatile and high-performing Level 2 chargers available today. Key features: delivering up to 40 amps of power, the Pulsar Plus ensures rapid charging for all EV models. It features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, offering app-based controls for scheduling and monitoring. It also supports voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, adding convenience for smart home users. Benefits and usage: this charger is perfect for tech-savvy users who value efficiency and control. Its smart features allow for personalized charging schedules, helping you save on energy costs. The compact size ensures it fits seamlessly in garages or driveways. Usability: the Wallbox Pulsar Plus is easy to install and operate, with its intuitive app providing comprehensive controls. Its compatibility with most EV models and flexible power output ensures it meets a wide range of charging needs. Durability: designed with high-quality materials, the Pulsar Plus is weather-resistant and built for longevity. Its sleek yet sturdy construction guarantees reliable performance in various conditions. Taking our 4th spot is Grizzl-E Classic. The Grizzl-E Classic is a rugged and reliable Level 2 charger designed to handle extreme weather conditions. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize durability and simplicity. Key features: offering up to 40 amps of power, the Grizzl-E Classic ensures fast charging for most EV models. It's compatible with all standard EVs and operates on a simple plug-and-play design. The charger is available in different configurations, including adjustable power levels for versatile installation. Benefits and usage. This charger is perfect for outdoor installations thanks to its weatherproof design. Its robust build and reliable performance make it ideal for areas with extreme climates, ensuring consistent charging regardless of the environment. Usability. The Grizzl-E Classic is straightforward to install and use, with no additional app or Wi-Fi connectivity required. Its simple design and compatibility with most EVs make it an excellent option for users seeking minimal setup. Durability. Built to endure harsh conditions, the Grizzl-E Classic is made with industrial-grade materials. Its rugged construction ensures long-term reliability, making it a dependable choice for outdoor or high-use applications. And finally, at number 5, we have ClipperCreek HCS-40P. The ClipperCreek HCS-40P is a dependable Level 2 charger known for its safety and reliability. It's perfect for EV owners who value straightforward functionality and robust performance. Key features. This charger delivers up to 32 amps of power and is compatible with all standard EVs. It includes a 25-foot charging cable, offering flexibility for different parking setups. The HCS-40P is safety certified and features built-in protections against power surges and overheating. Benefits and usage. The ClipperCreek HCS-40P is ideal for families or individuals who need a reliable and safe charging solution. Its long cable ensures easy access, even in larger garages or driveways, while its safety features provide peace of mind during use. Usability. With its plug-and-play design, this charger is easy to set up and use. The straightforward operation makes it suitable for both new and experienced EV owners, and the durable cable adds to its practicality. Durability. The HCS-40P is built to last, featuring a rugged design that withstands frequent use and harsh conditions. Its safety-focused construction ensures consistent performance, making it a trusted choice for long-term use. Investing in a reliable EV charger is essential for any electric vehicle owner. Whether you prioritize smart features, durability, or ease of use, these top 5 chargers cater to a variety of needs. Which one suits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed product reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.